How to create an LLC for a lash business. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're starting or already running a lash business, whether from home, in a salon suite, or mobile, one of the smartest moves you can make is forming an LLC. An LLC or limited liability company protects your personal assets in case of lawsuits or disputes, gives your brand a professional presence, and makes it easier to grow and work with clients, vendors, and payment platforms. In this video, I'll show you exactly why a lash tech needs an LLC and how to create one the easy way using Busy, which is a platform that helps you form your LLC for free and handles all the legal documents for you. So click the link in the description to start your lash business LLC with busy.com. You only pay the state filing fee and they'll do the rest for you. So why lash artists need an LLC? For legal protection, if something goes wrong like an allergic reaction, client complaint, or refund dispute, your personal assets like your car or savings are protected. Credibility, clients, salons, and even landlords take you more seriously when you operate under a business name, not just your personal one. Business bank account. An LLC lets you open a business account, separate your money, and look more professional when accepting payments. And also tax benefits. With an LLC, you can deduct business expenses like supplies, rent, training, and marketing, and even explore S Corp options as you grow. So, how to start a lash business LLC with Busy? Simply click the link in the description below. You'll be redirected to Busy. So, first of all, you're going to choose your state, usually the one where you live or provide lash service. So, pick a name of your business followed by LLC, and you're going to enter your business activity. Then, every LLC needs a registered agent. Busy provides a free registered agent for the first year, which fulfills your state's legal requirement. If you don't want Busy to act as your registered agent, you can act as your own registered agent, and Busy will give you an option for that as well. To open up a business bank account, accept payments, and file taxes, you need an employer identification number. Busy gets it for you from the IRS even if you're just a solo lash artist. If you already have an EIN and you don't want Busy to obtain it, you'll have an option for that as well. Starting in 2024, all new LLCs must file a BOI, that is Beneficial Ownership Information Report. So Busy will remind you and guide you through it so you stay legally compliant. If you wish to create a BOI report, I've included a link in the description to that as well. So Busy is perfect for BT entrepreneurs because it offers free LLC formations, free registered agent for 1 year, EIN application included, BOI report reminders, and simple step-by-step process for beginners. So whether you're just starting out or growing your lash brand, Busy makes your beauty business official. So if you're ready to make your lash business official, click the link in the description to form your LLC today with Busy, which is fast, affordable, and beginner friendly. So that's the end of today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.